প্রশ্নোত্তর পর্ব।
মাননীয় অধ্যক্ষ মহোদয়, question number 37, Sri Pal Dangshu, MLA, Mohoday. Number one question is there any plan of the government to set up a polytechnic institute in 48 Karamchora Assembly constituency? Answer is, at present, Department of Higher Education has no plan to set up one new polytechnic institute in 48 Karamchora Assembly constituency. Question number two, if yes, then when? Answer, as per the reply to question number one above, question does not arise.
Education and human capital as my first priority. Here my question is about expanding technical institute and educational hub. So why not we as a government commit and ensure that there are more good professional institute like Triple IT and IIT, Polytechnic in our state, especially in TTADC areas, because every year students are spending crores and crores in taking admission abroad and outside state and not studying in the state due to lack of this technical institution. And we can rather be the proud stakeholders of the students who are passing out every year from institute like Triple IT, IIT and Polytechnic. And we can give them a bright future within our state so that they don't need to go outside state for their studies. And I believe that these students will lead to prosperous and innovative future and also be the solution of global challenges. And it will also result to economic growth, social mobility, job opportunities, and overall the progress of the state. So, Honorable Speaker, sir, lastly, as this topic is about Polytechnical Institute and educational hub, I would like to remind you that in this house, when we were in the opposition bench, we had raised that.
Please ask your supplementary, please.
Yes, this is part of the supplementary, sir. That TTADC Polytechnic to be renamed as Khumlung Polytechnic. So I hope this house will also hear this, that TTADC Polytechnic be renamed as Khumlung Polytechnic. Thank you very much, Speaker, sir.
MLA Sri Pal Dangshu said, I agree with him that we also want that here, why not this IIT should not be set up here. So we are trying our best, and so far the question he has arisen here, I would like to tell the House that there are currently 6 polytechnic institutes in the state, which are Tripura Institute of Technology, TIT, Norsingor, Women's Polytechnic, Hapania, TTADC Polytechnic Institute, Kumlung, Gumati District Polytechnic, Udaipur, Dholai District Polytechnic, Ambasha, and North Tripura District Polytechnic, Dhamra. So, Dholai District Polytechnic, Ambasha, and North Tripura District Polytechnic, Bagbasha, both polytechnic institutes are located in the vicinity of 48 Karamchora Assembly constituency. And it gives ample opportunity for the suitable students of that area to undertake diploma engineering course in that polytechnic institute. So total number of seats for all branches in each year in Dholai District Polytechnic, Ambasha, and North Tripura District Polytechnic, Bagbasha, are 120 and 180 respectively. In the last academic year, 2023-24, total number of vacant seats in these institutes are 31 and 62 respectively. Therefore, more students could enroll and take the opportunity of higher education. Therefore, the Department of Higher Education has no plan to open a new government polytechnic institute in that assembly constituency. It is mentioned here that at present students are admitted in polytechnic institutes based on merit through Diploma Engineering Entrance Examination of Tripura, that is Triple E and T. Besides, ITI pass students can get their entry through lateral entry process. However, in future, if number of students opting for polytechnic courses increase in the area, the department would take decision accordingly.